Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we've got something super special. Today we're going to be continuing unboxing an Alienware monitor. We've unboxed like I think 2 or 3 of them at this point on the channel, so this one is the latest one from Alienware. So of course we're going to go ahead and unbox this baby. This one is the new Alienware 25-inch 1080p 240Hz nano IPS 1 millisecond response time monitor, and I think it's going to be really good, maybe even a little bit better than the 27-inch. Before I go ahead and get into the unboxing, I want to give you guys a quick spec rundown of this 25-inch Alienware. Here's the front of the 25-inch box. I think it looks pretty cool. You can see I got the Alienware blue lights going on in the background to match the Alienware theme, of course. But yeah, this is 25 inches. It's 1080p FHD resolution, IPS 240 Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium, which is like part of their confusing new FreeSync naming scheme. Oh my god, you know, I'm not even gonna get into that. But this is the AW2521HF. This one does have the RGB on the back as well, built into the stand, so that is really cool. Now you don't have to buy the more expensive G-Sync version just to get the RGB stand, so that's cool. Native 240 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, IPS. This one actually, I don't think it is nano IPS. It doesn't say nano IPS anywhere on the box like the 27-inch and the 34-inch did. So this one is probably just regular IPS, but it does have 99% of sRGB coverage, so it should be pretty decent to, you know, edit some YouTube videos and stuff like that on. So I wouldn't say that it's gonna be like the best option for your main content creation monitor, but if you know that you're gonna be doing a lot of gaming and you don't mind doing it on a little bit of a smaller screen with 1080p resolution, then you should be just fine. Especially if you're editing like gameplay and stuff like that and you're trying to start a gaming channel or a Twitch channel, this would be perfectly fine. Doesn't look like there's built-in speakers. I don't think there is on any of the Alienware monitors, but neither the old 25-inch or the 27-inch, so I'm pretty sure that this also won't have speakers. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby and check it out. All right. Unfortunate that we're probably already done with the knife. I know between the 27-inch and this one, the 25-inch is black. Wow, Alienware, that was a pretty interesting box. That's probably like the accessories and stuff. Okay, so here's the stand. I need a bigger unboxing desk. The other part of the stand with the RGB. And we've got the panel. This is a lot more manageable than the 27. I think that's it in terms of everything that is actually inside of the box. And let's see what kind of cables will give us. So this is the cable cover. Just going to get this out of here. So, yep. It's like a matte black plastic. It's got like a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's mostly matte. And they give you a USB pass-through cable, HDMI cable, power cable, and they also give you the DisplayPort cable as well. Some documentation. Most of the stuff we have, so we're just gonna keep the power cable out for now. And let's go ahead and assemble the stand. Last time I got one of these, surprisingly, the 34-inch was kind of dirty. I was like, what the heck? Like, how did that happen? I don't know if they were tossing it around at the Alienware factory or what, but it was really interesting how the bigger one was kind of dirty. The 27-inch was clean, I believe, but the 34-inch, that one was a little dirty. I had to wipe it down. On the back, of course, that is. The front was fine, but the back was a little dirty. Probably just showed a little bit more because it was white. And I don't know, maybe the boys were tossing it around at the Alienware factory. Let's go ahead and get this all together. forgot how responsive this stand was. Like, unless you have the monitor in there, the stand does not stay, basically. All right. See, let's move this orientation around a little bit so you guys can see. So before I throw the cover on, we've got the DisplayPort cable going right there. A little bit of cable routing right here just to keep everything nice and neat and tidy. Then we got 2 USBs there, USB pass-through, the power connector, 2 more USBs at the bottom right there. Then we've got our joystick, some menu controls. Then we've got RGB here along the base that we're about to see in just a bit. Then the alien head there, also RGB. Then a little bit of cable management right here. And that is pretty much it. This is the back of the 25-inch Alienware monitor that is now in black instead of white like the 27-inch and 34-inch. Now we'll go ahead and slide on the back cover for the cable management. Having everything looking super clean. Okay. Let's go ahead and plug in the power so you guys can see the RGB. So now we got the RGB on. It looks just like the 27-inch version that obviously this is gonna shine through like on the back of your wall or whatever. But I think it looks super cool. The default blue color and the black go perfectly together. So we got the RGB right here. Alien head guy right here, looking good. All right, guys, we are all set up here. So we got the new 25-inch setup with the Alienware 25 IPS 2020 edition in what I'm gonna call the stealth black color. I think it looks super good actually. And then I got my wireless and Pro 2. I got it plugged in right now because it's charging, but I just wanted the one cable running to my main setup here, so I'll just have the single DisplayPort cable running. Then I got the wireless Ponage mouse on my tiny artisan mouse pad and this beautiful new Alienware monitor. So this is pretty much gonna be the setup for the next couple of days while I go through, test this monitor, run it through its paces. And so far I can already tell it's a little bit brighter than the 25-inch TN version that I used to use, but with this being IPS, it's gonna have better color. I can already tell that it has better viewing angles, that's for sure. Even on camera too, it has better viewing angles, which you guys can see. So really happy about that. This is gonna look pretty good for the channel here for the next couple of days. So I've got the back of the monitor on the color spectrum mode as well. So the alien head and then the stand is going through all the different colors. So that's pretty cool. I'll shoot some B-roll of that so you guys can see that as well. But otherwise, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. We're at 9,000 subscribers right now, so every subscriber counts. If you guys could hit that sub button, we greatly appreciate it. You guys can look for my full review of the 25-inch version of the IPS Alienware monitor within the next few days or so, and we'll have a full review up and I'll let you know if it's worth buying or not. If you guys have anything that you want me to mention in the full review, be sure to drop it down in the comments below, and I'll try to mention most of the things that you guys want to see in the full review if you want anything tested specifically. But all right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will catch you guys in the next video.